Welcome to this tutorial on creating a modern analog clock using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First, let's start with the HTML structure. We create a div with the class clock to act as the clock face. Inside it, we have hand elements for the hour, minute, and second hands, along with a numbers container where the clock numbers will be placed dynamically using JavaScript. Now, moving to the CSS, we style the clock to have a modern dark theme with a glowing effect. The clock is a circular div with a radial gradient. The hands are positioned at the bottom and use transform origin bottom to rotate smoothly. We also define a small glowing center dot for the clock. One key part is the numbers. The numbers are positioned using absolute positioning, and we ensure they are evenly spaced around the clock face. Next, let's dive into the JavaScript functionality. We start by calling the createNumbers function. This dynamically generates the numbers 1 to 12 and positions them correctly around the clock face. The key calculation here is using trigonometry, with math.cosine for the x position and math.sine for the y position. The trick to properly aligning the numbers is adjusting the angle by subtracting 90 degrees from the normal circular layout. This ensures that 12 is at the top, 3 is on the right, 6 is at the bottom, and 9 is on the left. Next, the update clock function is responsible for moving the hands. It calculates the correct rotation angles using the current time. The hour hand moves 30 degrees per hour. The minute hand moves 6 degrees per minute. And the second hand moves 6 degrees per second. These values are then applied using CSS transform, rotate. Finally, we use setInterval, update clock, 1000, to update the clock every second and call update clock once on page load. Now, let's see it in action. I open the file in a web browser, and you can see the clock working in real time. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more coding projects. Thanks for watching.